So yesterday I showed you guys how to make fried rice with the steam rice already cooked. So today I'm going to show you guys how I cook steam rice. So cooking steam rice is the amount of rice is equivalent to the amount of water. As easy as like that. Easy to remember. All you do is just wash your rice and turn on the rice cooker. That's all you do. Okay, so here's my rice and my water. It's gonna be the same. I'm gonna use the same measurement for my water. So 1:1. Easy to remember. And now we're gonna wash the rice. Put that on the side first. Okay, now we wash the rice. Hopefully you guys can see. I don't have much space because I try to put that way. I mean, I'm trying to get some light, good lighting. So you just wash it like that. So I wash my rice 3 times. The reason why is that way the rice can last up to 3 to 4 days. So this is the third one. It looks like the water is already clear. That means the rice is already clean. Okay, that's good. 3 times washing. Okay, and like that. It's the same measurement. Okay. And now I just have to dry the rice cooker. Before I put it inside. Okay. And plug it. And on it. Easy peasy, huh? 5 minutes, 30 seconds. Okay. Oh, I'll show you when the rice is cooked later. Okay, so we are just checking what is the status of the rice now. It is now boiling by itself. Yeah, that's almost done. Okay, and then we'll check again when it's already cooked. Okay, finally our rice is now cooked. And the lights turns into warm, that means this is good. It's just keeping the rice, you know, warm.
Please
Keep watching my video. Follow me, Peringa's family vlog. Thank you guys.